Good hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be creating a car game in Scratch 3.0. This is the part 3 of the tutorial. We'll be covering the aspects of interaction between the car and the obstacles, a health bar system, and a scoring system. So now let's get started. These are the costumes and sprites I'll be using in my project. You can either take them from the internet, draw them, or take them from the link given in the description. We will start with the code of the obstacles. If y position less than -167, create a new variable called score. Change score by 1. Delete this clone. So our project looks something like this. The score will increase by 1 as soon as the obstacle reaches to the end without hitting the car. Now we'll code the obstacle touch detector. When the flag is clicked, show, forever loop, set, ghost effect to 100. That means it will be showing but invisible. When I receive start game, forever loop, go to the car, but change y by 20, so it will always follow the car. If block, if touching obstacles, then start sound dash. Broadcast a new message called health decrease by 1. Now from looks, set ghost effect to 100. Now we'll code the health bar. When I receive start game, show, set health to 5 in the beginning, switch costume to 5, forever loop, if from operators equals to sign, if health equals to 5, then switch costume to 5. Duplicate this. If health equals to 4, then switch costume to 4. Duplicate this again, put it beneath it. If health equals to 3, then switch costume to 3. If health equals to 2, then switch costume to 2. If health equals to 1, then switch costume to 1. And finally, if health equals to 0, then switch costume to 0. Wait for 0.4 seconds. Stop. Broadcast a new message called game over, and then the stop block, stop other scripts in this sprite. Now we'll code the info bar that is at the top, displaying all the information. When the flag is clicked, hide. We don't want it to show. When I receive game over, show. Change the game over to start game. Now we'll change it to the normal readout and position it. Now in the backdrop, when the flag is clicked, switch backdrop to cloudy sky. When I receive start game, switch backdrop to city landscape. Now in the health bar, when I receive health decrease by 1, change health by -1. And in the obstacles, when I receive health decrease by 1, delete this clone. And now back to the car for the animation when it hits the obstacle. When I receive health decrease by 1, promotions, point in direction 90, repeat twice, turn towards the left by 7 degrees, wait for 0.1 seconds. Turn towards the right by 7 degrees. First duplicate this, turn towards the left by 7 degrees, wait for 0.1 seconds, point in direction 90, wait for 0.1 seconds, turn towards the right by 7 degrees, wait for 0.1 seconds. And at the end, beneath this, point in direction 90, wait for 0.1 seconds, and point in direction 90. Now back to the health bar sprite. When the flag is clicked, hide variable score. Also when the flag is clicked, set score to 0. When I receive start game, show variable score. Now we can test our project. So, if you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For more such videos, don't forget to put on the notification bell. Bye, meet you next time.